Welcome to class. In today's class, we're going to be solving this question on angle, okay? And as you can see, we have parallel lines and we have transversals, right? Good. All right, so please take note. Line MO is parallel to line what? PS. Are you following? And NT is parallel to what? Line NT is parallel to what? Line what? RU. So we're going to be using this to solve our question. Now, the question is find the value of X. There's X here, okay? So we're going to be trying to know what X stands for in this question. But before we do that, if line NT is parallel to line RU, so I can equally extend it upward here. Are we following? So it means this angle here, 2x plus 1, can also be the same thing what I have here. Angle 2x plus 1 is the same thing what we're going to have here. Are we following? Good. So it means if these two sides are equal, if they are the same, okay, because we call them what? Corresponding what? Angles. It means this angle here, 2x plus 1, will also be what? The same with this one here, 2x plus 1. And these two angles are called alternate angles. Okay? Fantastic. So now looking at this, I'm going to form an expression with these two angles, 2x plus 1 and 59. These two angles, if you check carefully, they are forming what? Angles on a straight line. Angles what? On a straight line. So with that, I can easily say 2x plus 1 plus 59. And do not forget that angles on a straight line equals what? 180 degrees. The sum of angles on a straight line is what? 180 degrees. So having known that, I'm going to add these two angles together to get 180 degrees. I hope you are still following. Good. So I'm going to pick my like times. That's 2x plus, this is 1 plus 59 is 60, equals 180 degrees. And that'll be 2x equals 180 degrees minus 60 degrees. Okay? And that'll be 2x equals to what? 180 degrees minus 60 degrees is what? 120 degrees. And when I divide both sides by 2, what would I have? And that will be x. 220 equals to what? 60 degrees. And that is it. I'm sure you've learned something in this class. And I can't wait to see my next class. And until then, bye.